Okay, so I'm wearing headphones today. Yeah, and I'm wearing the same shirt I wore in the last video. So yeah, it's the same day. I'm pretty sure you guessed it. Different time, but same day. This is a separate video because I know that whenever we code, we don't really get into the hard stuff. Like we just cover the basics and keep the basics. We just scratch the basics. And even though we wrote lots of lines of code, if you're gonna go for a job, it's not gonna be this simple. And I know it. So today. You don't have to watch this video, but I'm gonna try and solve some real hard problems uh don't worry, you should still be able to hear the audio, okay? The audio will still come. You'll still be able to hear it okay right now. I'm not playing anything. These headphones are not from this, they're from something else. Okay. I'm just listening to some music. Alright. But if you guys want to listen to some music, then grab some headphones. But why would you want to do it at the same time? And I don't want to get like my audio mixed up and everything, so yeah. Anyway, yeah. So here's HackerRack. This is the place, or first I'm going to show you guys what I did here. First I created an account, okay? Hello Sid60402 to create an account in HackerRank. And once you do that, you can choose which language you want to do, okay? But let's say you want to do JavaScript, which we did before, okay? You will get this. We never covered this, did we? We never really got into like any of this type of stuff because I didn't want to teach it, and this wasn't what I was known for at that time. So happened that weird magical summer and spring of 2020. Now that we're near the end of 2020, I think it's time to do some more stuff. So obviously, the JavaScript version looks hard, and even there's Java 7, Java 8. It depends which version you want to use, okay? And then you have Perl, PHP, you got Python, Ruby, Swift. Some of these languages you might take a look at, you can even view more. And you can look at some other ones. You got a Lisp, you even got C, C++, C++14, and C hashtag. There are all so many. But I'd say I'll probably do this one, or this one. This one's a little bit complicated. This one's not that well known. If you want, you guys can go for this one. These two are probably the main ones, and this would probably have to be like third place. But this is still people still code with this language. So yeah, obviously C is the most popular language used to date, followed by Java and JavaScript. All right, those are like the most commonly used languages, followed by probably maybe Python or something. I have no idea. Okay, but Python is pretty good if you want to get into machine learning. Learn Python. So we might implicate some Python stuff for machine learning stuff, right? Because I want to be a programmer. I need to know you need to know Java, and you should probably also know Python. And since because Python's where it's at, like the main stuff, I will try to do Python. And there's another website which is called Oslo. You guys probably have heard of this. Some of you guys may have. It's on the website where you guys can go. Not this Oslo. This is one for Streamlabs. I mean, what's it called? No, I don't want to control alt it. What was it called? Right, what letter did it start with? What was it? Was it Q? What letter did it start with? It started with E? No, of course it started with the R. Did it start with the P? Did it start with the Y? A U? An I? Oh, maybe. Am I sure? Did it start with an O? Did it start with an O? P? An A? What was that website called? There it is. Solo Learn. It started with an S. Solo Learn is a place where you guys can learn languages. So you can do Java and other stuff. So I used to do this before a long time ago. So you have Python, C++, Java, and you can look at their other courses. There is a paid version for this where you can get some more offers and like more specialized help in this. Okay, you have machine learning. So I want to click on machine learning. Okay, let's say I want to learn that. First, it'll take you to the basics, and then notice how after 8, you get a quiz. Okay. Alright, there is an app. Maybe you guys have used this before, I'm not sure. But let's say I want to start from the very beginning, okay? You can choose where. You can go to the classifications. Can you go skip? Oh, you can't skip, okay. And yeah, these will all lock, so you have to start from the very beginning. So you'll first learn this, and then eventually it'll ask you a question. So if you don't know, you're gonna have to go back and then figure it out. So you are going to, let's say which language? Let's say which language? Wait, let's say which language? I don't think that said which language you're gonna learn. You have to guess. I'm gonna assume it's Python. Okay. So see, you get a question right, and then you get an achievement unlocked. So you get achievements by doing this, okay? Alright. Now let's get into this. I think we're gonna do Java 7 today. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Okay, sorry. So what happened was here it's giving us, it says this, okay, import java.io, and we have this right over here, okay? So we have solve me first, alright, A and B, so we have to make sure A plus B equals 5, okay, because 2 plus 3 equals 5, so we're gonna do it here, okay? Ready? Ready guys to do this? So we're not saying that it's an example saying that A equals 2, okay? Alright, so to solve this, what we can do is we can go and after it says hint, look at how it says hint, turn A plus B below, we can give a value for C. So we can write let C, okay? Alright, let C. Alright, so go ahead and type that in. And then you can give a value saying C equals A plus B, okay? And now write return C. Now let's run our code and see what happens. Compile time error. Oh, oh no, I forget that. No, wait, do I need a semicolon there? Hold on, there's something I need to fix. Oh yeah, we don't write let. Okay, don't write let. Instead, we have to write int. And we did it. We've solved our first challenge. Okay, now let's click continue. For this one, it's gonna say, are you student or professional? Write student. If you write professional, I'm not gonna have any problem with you. I'm not gonna be mad. If you're really good at it, it depends. If you think you're super duper 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 good, write professional. I myself am a student. I am not a professional. Okay? I mean, I know my stuff, but I'm just getting started, especially in Java. I know JavaScript, but this JavaScript is something else. And that P5.js JavaScript was an amazing way by the Processing Foundation, and they made it super simple. That's why I love it. Okay, it's very user friendly. What is your graduation year? 2024. Proceed to the dashboard. So you have to answer that one question, all right, to get into Hacker Ranch. Okay, you can get certifications, you can compete, and you can choose career free. Okay, all you have to do is solve one question, and everything's good for you. Okay, there's one more website that I wanted to go to, or one more place I wanted to go to, which is called Applascomi, SCI, yes, or whatever. And this is another place where you guys can learn. Okay, but again, my best place would be um what was it called again? Um, self. What is it? Start with an S. What was that thing? Start with an S. Oh no, it was solo learn. As soon as I in your head, no, solo learn. So yeah, that's it for this video. Again, it doesn't really fall into any playlist. Just want to make this. Bye bye.